we're gonna make an objective system. So basically when you pick up something or you walk somewhere, you will complete like an objective. Very simple. So we're gonna create a folder called objectives, objective, and in here we're gonna have a widget because we want to actually see the objectives. So we're gonna create it widget blueprint objective, bam, and let's have a canvas panel. Then we are going to have overlay with an image inside and two texts. So we will have the objective name and the objective description. So basically what you need to do. I'm gonna anchor it right here, so it's gonna stay right there. The overlay, we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, so something like this. So we could do 340 by 100 or 250 actually. No, 200. 150. Yeah, something like this. And make the brush and tint black 0.3 or 0.4. You can design it however you want. The first text will be the name, second will be the description of it, and make them both as variables. First text will be centered at the top, second will be centered but at the bottom or middle, probably middle. And the top one right from the top, it's gonna be like 25, no 10. And the second from the top will be 10 as well. So it's a little bit down. We can write, for example, some gibberish here. You can see the text is kind of big, so I'm gonna make it light and 16-ish, I think. This one, the first one, the name, we're gonna make it regular, so it's it stands out. Right here you can add, for example, or you can do task, for example. So this is basically how it's going to look like when you receive it. You can go to, you can add animations as well. Let's do it. You basically click on this animation tab, add animation, show objective, add animation, and we should find the overlay. If you click on the overlay, add bam overlay, and you can choose whatever you want. You can add opacity or just like movement. So I'm gonna add that it just pops in. It's gonna stay like that. That's the first one. So we add right here a keyframe, add keyframe, bam, go to like 1 second, and let's add it somewhere here. So it's gonna look something like this. So it's basically going to pop in. I think that looks just fine. And in the graph, we have to create two variables called name. Okay. Objective name. Second variable, objective description. And these will be text, right? Instance editable, exposed on spawn, both of them. And in the designer, we click on the name, I guess. Go right here, bind objective name. For the description, bind the description. So anything that you write in these will be inputted right there. So now, wherever you want the objective to play, for us it's going to be an overlap. You can have it as an item or whatever, an actor. So have it as actor, right? Create a BP objective. So this will be the main objective, right? And we're gonna have a collision of a sphere. No, let's have a box actually. That would be box collision. And go to event graph, at begin play, we're gonna create a widget, have the widget as object, promote it into a variable, and let's call this widget blueprint objective. And as you can see, now we have these pins. We just promote them to variables and have them instance editable. So now if we drag it out, you will see that you can write stuff in. So this will basically, when you overlap it, you will receive the objective. Click on the box, right? Go to begin overlap. From the other actors, does it equal, so equal, two player character. Gonna have a branch, so we have to check it. It basically means if it overlaps, it's the player character, right? If it's not, oh well. Then right here, we're just basically going to set text, or sorry, object. Just gonna set objective description and set objective name. We are doing this because when we overlap, you want all of these, right, to be setted, just like that. And that's the wrong one. This should be here. Because right here, we just basically get them, right? And now we want to play the animation. So in the graph, we're gonna have in the widget blueprint objective, in the graph, we're gonna have an event called objective anim. And we're just gonna do play animation, plug in the show objective, and that's basically it. And now we can do objective anim. Plug that in. You can, for example, play a sound effect or something along those lines. It's quite up to you. Then we're gonna have add to viewport, so we can actually see it. So now we're gonna have custom event, right? Above it. This will be completed or completed objective, whatever you want to write, and take the object name, right, where we set the object. Just take it, remove the object's name, and right here completed completed task. Let's have a task. Completed task. You can write whatever you want. So when you complete it, it will show that you actually completed it. Now we have to reverse the animation. So to do it, we're gonna go back here and basically plug the play mode into the objective animation. So now we can right here go back. You can see it forward. So let's copy it and make it reverse. So it's just gonna reverse it basically. Okay, so basically the hard part is over. So if we, for example, have it here, and let's make it bigger. By the way, this is not the best way to extend it and stuff. But yeah, so you have to walk. For example, let's make it right here. And you overlap that, so. And you can see there's no text because we didn't actually write anything. So task, objective description, kill yourself, please. And if we play, we're gonna have an objective of task, kill yourself, please. If you overlap multiple times, it's gonna show. So not make it do that. Right here, we're gonna do once, or actually, right after we check, do once, just like that. So, bam. And you overlap again, nothing happens. We're gonna make another overlap or an actor. You can have this on interaction, on whatever. So you have a task to pick up an object or do something. You can really freely do it. So basically how to do it is, for example, BP overlap. And right here we're gonna have a box collision. I'm gonna really fast set up and have a begin play. So basically if this equals the player, that's gonna be once again player character, and right here we basically do once again, do once, and right here where we basically starting from do once, we're gonna do once, get all actors of class with a tag. The main part is the tag, because we're gonna have this tag objective. Then we basically get a copy. Objective is BP, that we created the BP of right here. And we forgot one thing to add. We forgot to add a boolean. So completed objective, that is in the BP objective itself. So right here when it completes, set it to true, and when he gets it, set it to false. So right here we get a tag, get completed. So get completed right here. If it doesn't show, just delete it. Delete the get and do it once again. Right here, do a branch. So if it's true, we basically completed, or if it's we basically from the get copy complete right here. So if it's false, sorry, if it's false, just like that. So basically all of this, you should have it like in the interaction. If you will have like an objective or something like that, just have it, yeah, have it there. So this is the main code, and this tag, right? This tag is really, really important. So you're basically gonna have the overlap on the stairs, for example, like that's a big overlap. Have a tag, add the tag, bam, objective. If I get the objective and go right here, nothing happens. So basically the tag should be on the overlap. The tag should be on the target as well. So have them like that. One thing, a disclaimer, they will not work if they are in separate levels. So if you have level streaming, you need them in one level. So that's just, you know, thing. So bam. Okay, that was too fast. So let's make it a little bit shorter. Right here, reverse, right? Before we do the animation, we have a delay of like 3 seconds. That's one. And the second thing, the tag should be promoted into a variable, and should be like this. So you can know the tag and you can really quickly change it. So basically, we did it. So right here, task, kill yourself. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go up the stairs. Oh, completed the task. Very good. So you can add like sound effects, you can add like different stuff, cutscenes or whatever. It's quite up to you, and it's really, really goddamn simple.